Welcome to another episode in the Exchanges series. Today, we're exploring fiat off-ramps and how to convert your cryptocurrency into cash that you can use in your everyday life. A fiat off-ramp is a service that converts cryptocurrency into traditional currency and deposits it into your bank account. Think of it as the bridge between the crypto world and your regular banking system. You start with Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency, convert it to dollars or your local currency, and then receive that money in your bank account where you can spend it like any other funds. There are four main types of off-ramp methods available. Bank transfers allow direct deposits via CH or wire transfer. Debit cards offer instant withdrawals to linked cards. Payment processors like PayPal or Venmo provide another convenient option. And peer-to-peer platforms let you trade directly with other users. Each method has its own advantages depending on your needs. The off-ramp process follows 5 straightforward steps. First, choose an exchange or off-ramp service that operates in your region. Second, complete identity verification, known as KYC. Third, link your bank account or preferred payment method. Fourth, initiate your withdrawal and specify the amount you want to convert. Finally, receive your fiat currency in your account. The entire process is designed to be secure and compliant with financial regulations. All regulated exchanges require identity verification to comply with anti-money laundering laws. This process, called Know Your Customer or KYC, typically requires 3 things: a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license, proof of address such as a utility bill, and selfie verification to confirm your identity. While this may seem inconvenient, it protects both you and the platform from fraud and illegal activities. Understanding fees and settlement times helps you choose the best method for your situation. Bank transfers typically charge 0.5 to 2% and take 1 to 5 business days. Debit card withdrawals cost 3 to 5% but arrive in minutes to hours. Peer-to-peer transactions usually have the lowest fees at 0 to 1%, with wait times varying by payment method. Generally, faster methods cost more. Following security best practices protects your funds during the withdrawal process. Always use regulated exchanges with strong security measures and proper licensing. Enable 2-factor authentication on all withdrawal requests to add an extra layer of protection. Double-check your bank account information before confirming any transaction, because crypto transactions are irreversible. And start with smaller amounts to test the process before making large withdrawals. Choosing the right off-ramp method depends on 4 key factors. First, how quickly do you need the funds? If speed is essential, debit cards might be worth the higher fees. Second, what fee percentage are you comfortable with? Lower fees usually mean longer wait times. Third, which services are available in your country? Not all platforms operate everywhere. And fourth, what level of privacy do you require? Some methods involve more information sharing than others. Off-ramps bridge the gap between crypto and traditional finance, giving you control over when and how to convert your digital assets into usable currency. Understanding your options, the fees involved, and security best practices ensures you can access your funds safely and efficiently whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.